I'm Dr. Saif from saif.org, and I'm back with another video on how can you kickstart your freelancer career using generative AI. So one of the first things that you want to start to think about is what are the unique skills that you particularly have, especially given your cultural background. And for freelancing, it's important that you think about your cultural background because you're going to be up against people from different parts of the world who might feel very comfortable doing the exact same jobs as you, but with a lower pay, because in their country, they can live perfectly fine off of a lower salary. And so because of this, you want to start to think about, okay, how does my unique cultural background position me to do jobs that people across the world could not necessarily do? And in today's episode, we're going to learn about how you can utilize generative AI to help you in this process. There's a generative AI tool. In particular, we're going to use chatgpt.com, which is a tool from OpenAI. And here, what we're going to do is we're going to ask this generative AI tool to help us identify, well, what type of tasks can I do? So we're going to tell it, okay, so you know what freelancing jobs can I do if I love writing? Maybe I have a business degree. You know, I studied business, and maybe I'm from the United States, and so I have deep knowledge about American culture. Maybe we're going to tell it, create a list of possible freelance jobs I could do, and where might I possibly find them? So when I say where, there are different digital platforms that post these jobs. And so maybe ChatGPT could also help me to start to find them. So let's go. So we asked them, and it's basically saying, okay, so given your passion for writing, your business degree, and your deep knowledge of American culture, here is a list of freelancing job opportunities that you could thrive in, along with recommended platforms and resources. So one thing that it's recommending is content writing and blogging. So I could focus on writing engaging blog post articles and web content for businesses targeting American audiences. Notice that this is a very good job because many times if they were to hire somebody who's outside the US, the person might completely miss the mark. And so having somebody that understands the US audience is critical. And so this is, I think, a really good job about just writing web content for businesses targeting the US. And so basically it's right now recommending me to go to Upwork, Freelancer, ProBrother. Another thing is also copywriting and marketing content. So I could be creating marketing campaigns, social media advertising, and product descriptions and landing pages. This is again important because, for example, if you're a business and you want to create a strong marketing campaign that is targeting the US audience, you need somebody that understands the US audience. If not, they again could completely lose the mark. So this is again another great jobs that I could go to. And then it provides here a list of jobs and platforms where I might find those jobs. And then another one is just writing articles optimized for search engines, enhanced visibility for US based audiences. And then here it provides other platforms where I could do it. It also provides options for ghostwriting. Again, maybe helping to write nonfiction books, articles, speeches for American clients or businesses. And it also provides a list of platforms where I might find those jobs. It also says that I could be even a cultural consultant. That's a great thing. I could provide insights on American cultural trends, consumer behavior, and market strategies for international business that are looking to expand into the US market. Additionally, another thing is even being a grant writer. So many times you have universities, startups, nonprofits that are trying to obtain funding, and they're doing it with US funding agencies. So again, you need a good knowledge of the American culture and the American funding agencies in order to do it. And then here are where I might find jobs related to that.
Additionally, another thing is just getting good at helping other people craft their resume, their cover letters. Again, because if they're going to be targeting US based companies, just putting something that's completely off the mark could make them lose a job opportunity. So, this is a great idea for somebody who is well embedded in the American culture to help out. And again, it provides a list of platforms where I might find those jobs. I could also help with editing and proofreading, also business writing, reports, white papers, case studies, helping businesses to provide insights into the American markets. And again, because I understand the American market, I can contribute to those jobs. Another thing is just helping them out with newsletters and email marketing specialists. So I could help in creating engaging newsletters, nurture sequences, and email campaigns tailored specifically to the US based audiences. Um, it also creates here some opportunities for further doing it. So, doing networking, portfolio development. So, here it provides a great thing, which is just creating social media content that can help me to be well seen. In our next episode, we're going to take this advice and just start to look for jobs in these different realms that it found. And we'll guide you how you can use AI in order to do it.